In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the scary pop-ups that come from the website updatenotification.xyz. Some people may pretty suddenly see these strange pop-ups by the site updatenotification.xyz. We found this pop-up while we were performing a routine inspection of untrustworthy websites. These pop-ups have in mind to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Also, they may try to force customers into subscribing to their notification spam. Some versions of these pop-ups have got the allow button integrated into it, so when people mistakenly click on allow button, they may start soon facing even greater number of pretty intrusive advertisements. Also, these pop-ups have in mind to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups try to help you, but when you start interacting with them, you may be brought to some other shady websites of a really bad reputation. As I said, they may point you to other dangerous resources that may promote some potentially unwanted software. So don't ever interact with these fake alerts. I do recommend that you carefully examine the control panel of your computer in order to uninstall any programs which could be suspicious. So if you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.